Hi guys, Kevin here for ESL Games. I'm going to show you how to play Hot Seat with your ESL or EFL classroom. This game is super easy. All you need to do is start by splitting your class into two teams. Have one player from one team come to the board. Sit in front of the whiteboard. They cannot look backwards. Now, a second player of your team, is going to write a word on the board behind them that they can't see. So for this one, we're going to say the word is baseball. Now, you set a timer for, let's say, 1 minute. And then the rest of the players on this person's team has to describe the word without saying this word. So start the timer, and you're going to say things like, it's a sport. You play it outside. There's a ball. Is it soccer? No, it isn't. You wear a hat. New York Yankees. Is it baseball? And if they guess, is it baseball? Then they get the point. If the timer expires, no point. Next thing you do is you just switch teams. You know, maybe you do 5 or 6 different rounds, and at the end of 5 rounds, the team with the most points wins. This is a really easy game because there's almost no setup. It's very easy to apply. You can let it go as long as you're having fun, and the second it seems like it's not fun, you just stop the activity, tally up the points, and name your winner. Anyways, that was Hot Seat. This is how to play it in your class. Hope you have fun. Let me know how it works. See ya!
If you're looking for great downloads, visit our Teachers Pay Teachers page. And for more classroom games, make sure to visit our website easyeslgames.com.